Just 2 kilometers from Oman lies one of the most hidden villages in UAE most people don't even know exists. A village with a rich history, ancient mosques, and stories that will surprise you. In this vlog, I'll take you inside the forgotten place, show you the real life, the culture, and the secrets. But getting here wasn't easy. The roads, the challenges, and unexpected moments made the journey unforgettable. From the Oman border to this hidden gem, this is more than just a trip, it's an experience you don't want to miss. So stay till the end because the best part of the village is something you don't want to miss. Let's begin. So we are going. This is UAE. You should believe it. This is UAE. There is no building around here. There is no traffic around here. And we are heading to the border of UAE and Oman. These are barren lands and plain fields. So there is so much more to be discovered. Oh my god, there are camels. And there is someone, I believe their caretaker with them. So there is a lot more to be discovered about UAE yet. There are boats as well on our way. This seems like old times, not that developed and advanced UAE. So this is not pre-1979 or 1971. This is today's UAE, you guys. I'm thrilled to view all of this, and I believe you all will be as well. Seems like the Amazon park. There's nothing apart from this road till the side view. Oh my god, we are going to stop for them. Confidence like a goddess. Their legs are tied. Hello my audience. So we found out the last mosque geographically on the border of UAE. So this is the last mosque. Behind this, that is the border of UAE. That is Oman, the mountains of Oman which you are seeing. So this is the last mosque so far. After this the roads end. There is no road, and this beautiful mosque which you can see is the last mosque in the premises of UAE, on the border of UAE and Oman. So this is the beautiful gate of this mosque. The name of the mosque is not mentioned somewhere, so I don't have the names, but this view of the mosque is so beautiful. So there are dates as well, which you can see they're covered up by the covers, green covers. These are the dates, as you can see. These are not ripened up yet, but this is the season. They are going to be ripened soon, and this is how they are taken care of. Like whenever there is the flowers or the start of the fruit, they cover it up and they preserve all of the dates. Not like the other parts of the world where fruits are just hanging on the trees and they're dropping down. they are very focused on the cleanliness. This part is liked in case of UAE because they are very sophisticated with the cleanliness and all. These beautiful doors in front of the mosque. And let me see if we can enter. This is the courtyard, I believe, the open place for the mosque. And there are some people sitting there having chat, as today is the day of Eid in UAE, Eid al-Adha, which is being celebrated here. And this so far is the last village of UAE, and this is the last mosque on the border of Oman and UAE. This is the front side of the mosque, and this is the minaret. The view, it is charming and unique as well. The Middle Eastern view. There is a big parking area within the mosque. On the all sides of the mosque, there is big parking area. So we parked our car on the other side, and as we saw earlier, there are some pigeons because of this shade, I believe. And here we got the name. The mosque name is Abdullah bin Ans. So Abdullah bin Ans is the last mosque of UAE on Oman border, and we're going to try to enter in it as well. Let me see if the doors are open, because from the other side I tried but it was not. Alright, this one is closed. MashaAllah. So this is so beautiful from the inside. That's amazing. The artwork, it's so good. And these books are the Holy Quran. This tree, I'm wondering what happened to this tree, because it doesn't have any leaves and it looks like from ages. But still, it is home of so many birds. These are the nests. If you can see, these are the houses of birds. These are the nests for sparrows and other similar species, I believe. Yeah, we can see the sparrow as well, jumping from one branch to another. And here we are going to have a closer look for the dates. It's so good. See, these are green, rich green as of now. They will be ripened soon, and then they will be plucked off and used for eating purposes. This is the serenity, I believe, because there is no rush and there are no so many sounds. It doesn't seem to be the part of UAE, because UAE, it is very populated, it is very rush all the time, busy and fast life. But here, it's total serenity, calmness. I'm just thinking that how cool this pigeon is enjoying his time. Here we go with a beautiful sunset of the Middle Eastern horizon. It's so people here, because as I told you, this is the border of Oman and UAE, and there are not so many people who visit on this site and know about such beautiful heritages of UAE. Sun is about to set. Now I'm going to show you the entrance from where we got to know that this mosque is here, and we plan to visit this. Now I'm going for that spot, which is the entrance from the road for this mosque. So this is the roundabout in front of this mosque. How beautiful it is. It is well maintained, well decorated, and this is the mosque in front of this roundabout. And this so far is the border of UAE and Oman. Now I'll take you there as well. No one would believe that they have maintained this border end of UAE this much. Like this is, there are so many people here. It's a vacant space. No one comes around. But still it is so much well decorated, and as I was telling you about the sophistication of the maintenance of UAE authorities, they maintain it very well. Same dates are there. They're also covered up. Colors of stones, the brown, black and white. They are imported from different places all over the world. And they are put here so accurately and eloquently. Is it the Garden of Dates? Yeah, this is the whole big Garden of Dates. This is traditional UAE, man. I've never seen it before. It still exists. The village life of UAE is so good and so clean and cultural. See, this big, approximately 700 to 800 meter garden of dates, such things still exist. See the videos of UAE nowadays, no, we don't get this picture. So here you can see the Sultanate of Oman. This is the border of Oman which we are heading to, and these shades which you can see, this is the border of Oman. So here I believe these are the goodbye notes from UAE. This Madam city is the city of UAE, which is wishing us a safe journey. But we won't be going to Oman because we don't have required documentation for that. So we'll be returning from here, and this is the border of UAE and Oman. So this, viewers, you can see, this is the weather balloon, and this is at the border of UAE and Oman. This is Oman border. Here we go. Welcome to UAE. If you are coming from Oman, this is the start of UAE, and this is sunset as well. So if we are coming from Oman, this is the start of UAE. And behind me, this is the border of Oman. If you have the required documents and visa and all, you can cross this. Otherwise, you are not allowed to. That would be all for today, and we'll be meeting in the next video.
Pray for me and be with me. Take care. May you all be in peace and have a good health.